How to change currency on MetaTrader 5. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the currency on the MetaTrader 5. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the MetaTrader 5 on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the pencil icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now if you want to reorder the pairs, you can do so by tapping and holding the handle at the left hand side. And once the pair is selected, simply drag the pair into the spot you would like to change. And after that you can simply release it. Also, if you want to delete the pair, you can simply tap on the delete icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and after tapping on that, select the pair that you want to delete. And once selected, again simply tap on the delete icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and with this the pair will be deleted. And that's it. That's how you can change currency on the MetaTrader 5. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.